NDPS court sends Moray Police Station OC Letko Hau Vaipai to 15-day judicial custody for further investigation into his alleged involvement in trading drugs. Unknown miscreants plant two anti-handling mechanism remote control IED near Napet Machin Pauhaubi culvert. State bomb disposal squad defuses the bombs successfully. Federation of Government College Teachers Association calls indefinite cease work strike against government's failure to provide UGC 7th pay scale. And ex-MLA of Nauria Pakanglapa constituency, R.K. Anand, urges centre and state governments to act as per people's interest. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laktangma Monica with the latest news updates. NDPS court has sent Moray Police Station OC Letko Hau Vaipai to 15-day judicial custody for further investigation into his alleged involvement in trading drugs. It may be mentioned that acting on a tip-off, Technopal police team led by additional SP LO KH Robinson under the supervision of SP TH Vikramjit raided Moray Police Station ASI T Pauminlyun Haukip's residence at Moray Ward number 9 on November 12 and recovered 10,755 bottles of 50 mg ketamine injection Ketamex. Upon interrogating ASI Pauminlyun, OC Letko Hau and two constables were arrested. Inspector Letko Hau was produced before the first track NDPS court in Lumpel on November 16, where the court remanded him into 5-day police custody. He was produced before the court today when he was further remanded into 15-day of judicial custody for further investigations. Unknown miscreants planted two anti-handling mechanism remote control IED near Pauhabi culvert at Napet Machin under Lamlai police station in Imphal East district today. Impact News sources said that 6 Assam Rifles personnel came across the bomb while on ROP at around 9:30 a.m. After a sniffer dog of 15th Assam Rifles ascertained the presence of the bomb, the security forces cordoned the area and informed the Manipur police. Subsequently, Imphal East DSP Operation KSH Ravi Kumar and Lamlai OC inspected the area. State bomb disposal squad also arrived and defused the IED weighing around 4 to 5 kg safely at 12:14 p.m. Government college teachers across the state launched indefinite cease work strike against the state government's failure to provide them University Grants Commission UGC 7th pay scale today. General Secretary of Federation of Government College Teachers Association, FEGOCTA, Dr. N. Somarendro, declared the same during a media interaction held at Manipur Press Club. He maintained that teachers of government colleges under FEGOCTA met on November 18 and resolved to carry out the cease work strike. He expressed disappointment that the government has failed to put into actions its assurances to give them 7th pay scale as in other states of the country. The General Secretary warned of intense agitation if their demand is left unfulfilled.
Akoi siswak se government na handamuti return assurance pi banataba taseng namak akoi 7 UC pay regulation 2018 se state cabinet adopt tawdriba phawbadi khoi khongin sangsangani aduga atopa mana akoina government da haijaning basi makoina pi giba return assurance se fulfill tawbiro aduga khoigi lakadorba 20 November 2019 dagi khoigi BSc BA BCom semester examination sing se khoi oda sing da khoigi boycott tonaba do tohon bigano.
Ex-MLA of Nauria Pakanlapa constituency R.K. Anand urged the centre and the Chief Minister to act according to the people's interest. Speaking to media at his Kwakatel residence today, R.K. Anand demanded to convene a special assembly session to take a joint decision by all the state MLAs to protect Manipur from the impending threat posed by the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks. He recalled the June 18 incident and said that 18 brave hearts sacrificed their lives to protect Manipur. He maintained that until and unless the Prime Minister gives assurance to the people of the state on the safety of territorial, administrative, cultural and economical integrity of Manipur, the ongoing people's movement will not calm down. R.K. Anand appealed to the Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane to consider the sentiment of the public in all his undertakings.
The ball is in the court of the Prime Minister of India. Ngasi Parliament session legera, ama tawgera, Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister na, koi Manipur miyamda, na koi territorial integrity da natana, noigi economic integrity, noigi administrative integrity, noigi hane bise, will not be touched as a man haibam sangi haib. Si hiding it koi na thaza bise, sunglei leroy. That is the reason why ngasi karigidam to kokomi na ngasi. Koi government ne leragasu, ngasi koi CM na haiba, koi the cabinet na haiba, si thaza bangam na lady say. This is one of the reasons. We have been betrayed. Manipuri jati se repeatedly betrayed. History this is betrayed. Manipuri integrity kaiba way wapam se the hen chawba issue lative Manipur. This is our future. Si matang di ngasi akui mihun en sakram mayam sing se kai chakragi siri. Kai ka akui sounding madagi hide do why mayam haireba. Some of the MLAs ngasi uchi makul changreba.
Expressing disappointment over the attempt to pass Citizenship Amendment Bill in the ongoing Parliament session, R.K. Anand inquired about the special clause supposed to be added in the bill to save the indigenous people of the northeast states, including Manipur. He asserted that although Manipur is a part of India, the Indian Constitution has not provided any protection to the valley inhabitants of the state. He mentioned that there has been reports of migrants' population being more than the state's tribal population. Expressing disappointment over the inefficiency of the state's population commission, R.K. Anand asserted that the public has no clue about the status of the Manipur People's Bill. He also lamented over the prevailing conflict between the state government and Kokomi and Menpak.
I quite the Amkizeri say quick concerns here. There may be a state of anarchy. Manipur is a lawlessness. I'm Chatnabaya, but government leaders, government Pirapa directives say, Iloya, the Baduki Wapama, Mayam Chauno Lakra, keeps up with a far way. And the Simeam Singu Ubiriga exercising wisdom. Government Obigi, see you Wapam Sepazana, Kanda Birga, Nasi government, Loino Tassan Kumzan Birga, Prazamiam Sing hesitation line, Lady Mam Tassan Kumzan Birga, Sina Yarne have the Muya. Tana birga si odi yani have to tana birga two nangasi nung nisi decision lobby with chunga kali. Adu mai appeal to janingi aduga masdagi further to kana definitely there will be a state of anarchy. Issue yam chale bzik se. Freeway agreement ki laire, cap ki laire, whole of North Islang ani state home lang madu whole of North Islang ani. Si me am sangi yam na pagi apabak and symptom political kanunati hai.
R.K. Anand also demanded for speedy release of former chairman of UNLF, R.K. Meghan. He urged law enforcing agencies to abide by rule of law of the country, failing which, he said, people will eventually lose trust in the Indian Constitution. R.K. Anand clarified that he temporarily resigned from politics to maintain his ideology and not from active politics. Political activist Hekruzam Nabashyam also took part in the media interaction.
UNLF chairman Nahan Thadwe Tang Mapandra Keno Thadwe. Where is he now? Conviction period. Any worry sananing bakande amakande my permission log anything sabi I that to due process denied it. Sanabisi. Nasi Indiagi law say rule of law haven't they? Indian Constitution Tazabadi Nasi Taza beginning Nasi Indian Constitution Taza beginning Nasi when Indian citizen or is Nasi government ladies. Nasi police ladies, Nasi army ladies, Nasi prime minister ladies, Nasi president ladies, Nasi chief minister ladies, MLA ladies. She Taza but tokonomita, there will be no India. And the law is say enforced with Sangis in any Tanzania.
Meitei Presbyterian Christian Naharob and Meitei Presbyterian Singlub Synod have declared to stand along with various civil society organizations of the state against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, leader of Meitei Presbyterian Christian Naharup, Ningthozam Premjit, urged the Indian government and the NSC and IM not to create any upheavals in the state while finalizing the peace talks. He also strongly condemned the attempt to pass Citizenship Amendment Bill in the ongoing parliament session.
To the Government of India, amasung NSNM gi peace talk asina karigumba hiram amatada Manipur gi interest sokpa thabak amata paikhat pa yaroi loina na Meitei Christian singna lamdamasi gi CSO sing ga khusam naduna masigi mayokta thabak sing punna pangthok minagani Manipur gi apunba gi saktam kai ba yaroi yelhau ngai dagi nungsi chanana leiraklaba furup sing gi marakta tongan tanaba khak sinba yaroi.
10 villages of Chingu, Awang, Kobru, Asuppa, Haibung, Pokpi and Kangchup Road jointly carried out protest demonstrations today against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Taking part in the protest alert mid, Kokomi Assistant Coordinator KH Athoba demanded a written assurance on the safety of Manipur. Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA in a press release warned that Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB cannot be passed in the ongoing winter session of the parliament without a special clause and provision for protection of northeast states, including Manipur. All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee Amukok has termed it unfortunate that Menpek and Kokomi has been dragged into the recent police arrest of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO President Phundreimayum Abdullah. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Amukok spokesperson Mohammad Rais Ahmed clarified that no one impersonated as Chief Minister's worker and threatened anyone at gunpoint. He condemned MMWO General Secretary Aminuddin Phundreimayum for trying to cover the misconduct of MMWO under the shadows of Kokomi and Menpak.
MMWO ge thomi singna daita laina hairiba hiram masida makhoi ge thomi sing amadi makhoi ge advisor singna daita laina miam da thokriba thodok asi tasengna na soiki lan khiba yawroba soikhoi ajana phaminaraga wari sanabagi pandam dugi tayonana pangan khunai da masibo aikhoibo lana unana santorakpa masimak yamna laibak thibani adu masidi ona tainaba makhata na muk miam bunam thak taunana ba hotnarakpa si pangal khunai gi amukokna taraina laude irai pa kanbagi yamna luraba tan masida MMWO na daita yaudaba amasung samamna wafam sing khongdorakpa ngasi hairiba numisidagi khudaktagi lepkadabani MMWO ge thomi sing.
Meanwhile, All Manipur Muslim United Clubs Organization Amuko in a press release appealed to the state government to release MMWO President Muhammad Abdullah Phundreimayum, Assistant Coordinator of Kokomi and Menpek Convener without any condition at the earliest. Chief of Karam Thadoi Village Authority LT Renkuchung Aimol termed the unveiling of the statue of Chingu Maicho Karam Thadoi by Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantikumar on November 4 at Karam Palen in Kangpokpi district as misleading the history of Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Aimol asserted that Chingu Maicho Karam Thadoi is not a leader of the Karam community, but a leader of the Karam Thadoi village inhabited by the Aimol community in Kangpokpi district. He urged the government to look into the matter and make necessary changes.
Mamangai degi ipu ipa haktak degi mayau taret ki pandip oina ipu dause oiram bane. Masigi nama sida Karam Thadoi ne haidana Karam Palen sida makoina institute khora yunglaga thambi base ai ishana yaningde ai khoi British right chulaye maitena ninthona piramba right chulaye aduga hujik hill house tax pi bishu Karam Thadoi haidana hill house tax pi ribne asisidabu Karam Palena Karam Thadoi gi mamingda institute yungbi base ai yaningde.
Government of the People's Republic of Nagaland, NSCN GPRN, self-acclaimed government of NSCN, in a press release clarified that NSCN GPRN burnt down the water tanker of Bharatiya Infra Projects Limited, BIPL, between Khongnem and Karong in Senapati district under the leadership of NSCN K. Yung Wong, National Highway Operation Commander Kelvin Veimai, Manipur sector. It further mentioned that the water tanker was burnt down as a warning against BIPL's failure to keep its promises given to the government. The press release urged transporters, wholesale retailers and dealers to contact mobile number 961-270-2911 and cooperate with GPRN. A combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 26 Assam Rifles has arrested a suspected active cadre of proscribed UNLF. The arrested person is 32-year-old Naurim Robindro alias Naucha alias Robert, son of N. Kala from Yairipok Top Chingtha Khongbam Laikai under Andro Police Station in Imphal East District. Impact News sources said that the combined team arrested him during a search operation at Thambal New Market under Andro Police Station this afternoon. Naurim Robindro alias Naucha alias Robert reportedly joined UNLF in 2015-16 through one Rajan. He was handed over to Andro Police for further interrogation. Fire consumed properties worth around 7 lakh rupees in Churachandpur district this morning. Impact News sources said that the fire mishap occurred at M. Songpijang village in Laimatek area under Kangwai block at around 11 a.m. The fire started from a 100-year-old Brahmin residence and spread to 5 neighboring houses. Technopal District Police and Narcotic Affairs and Borders destroyed illegal poppy plantations spread over 24 acres of land on Machi and Sizang Hill areas in Technopal District today. Technopal District Police Additional SP Operation M. Amit, DSP Technopal L. Kamkohau, SDO Machi, OC Technopal and Machi PS and many police personnel arrived out the drive under the supervision of Technopal District Police SP TH Vikramjit and Narcotic Affairs and Borders SP W Basu. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protest by All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association as part of Transgenders Remembrance Day today. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Members of All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association carried out protest demonstrations at Lamlong Market as a part of the International Transgender Remembrance Day today. Transgenders from across the state took part in the protest. Speaking to media, General Secretary of All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association, Santa Kurai, said that the rate of crimes against transgenders and suicides by transgenders are increasing daily. Santa Kurai urged people to treat transgenders with love. Various placards that read Trans Life Matter, Support Transgenders, Trans Manipur, include Chingmi, Tammi and Pangal were used during the protests. Floral tributes were paid to late transgenders at the myth.
Thamas ki tongan ba mafam singda transgender ki sangjapam leiti sangjapam leitabasina maram oiraga makhoida nungai taba mayam sina depression chatlaga masa matom da sizabagi masing se sahi khara sida adukki matik yam khallagle aduna akhoi sida theliba photo sing se hantak chahi ama ani sida laikhida bangak tane akhoi lising ahum mari khak laibasida yengo kaya no si khri se huji phausi akhoina khongkat pa photo khara dani khongkat taba mayam amasu lairibane Thamas ki tongan ba mafam singda trans
World Mental Health Day was observed at Iravad Bhavan in Imphal today to raise awareness on mental health issues. District Mental Health Program, District Health Society, Imphal West and All Manipur Nupi Marub jointly organized the observance on the theme Promotion of Mental Health and Suicide Prevention. Speaking at the event, clinical psychologist Dr. K.H. Imoba said that people with mental health issues have higher tendencies of committing suicide. He stressed on the need to promote mental well-being in a state like Manipur, which is burdened with various issues.
Suicide haibasi nipa akoida so dum thengnai nipi da so dum thengnai to bodabu nipa ga se yengnabada nipa na heli ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯁꯨꯏꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯍꯤ 15ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 39 ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯑꯣꯜ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯏꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡ ꯁꯨꯏꯁꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ every 40 seconds ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯁꯤ
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen inaugurated Sakhi One-Stop Center OSC at Kangpopi District Headquarters today. The One-Stop Center was inaugurated under the directives of Ministry of Women and Child Development WCD Government of India. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that the newly inaugurated OSC will serve as a center equipped with an integrated range of services including medical, legal, rescue and response services, police services and psychological and social counseling support for the welfare of these women in distress or affected by any forms of violence in private and public places. Manipur State Cooperative Union, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur and Institute of Cooperative Management ICM Imphal concluded 66th All India Cooperative Week observance today. Role of cooperatives in New India was the main theme, and financial inclusion, technology adoption and digitalization through cooperatives was the sub-theme of the program held at ICM Conference Hall in Lampelpad. Speaking on the occasion, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur, Robert Ketrimayum, said that the government is making relentless efforts to provide digital market platform for cooperative societies to sell their products. He said that the event aimed to promote and empower cooperators. He also stressed the need to enhance ties between cooperative societies and banks. Robert Ketrimayum appealed to the societies to come up with unique designs by utilizing the latest technology.
Akoiga labor department officials sinsiga cooperative the yauzariba cooperators cooperative society sinsiga ponna amatoina sanjimina mamsangane masida technology sina to yawa digitalization koi masi kathoga sakibri yawa to taragade koi kari to budai se tagi hona koi cooperative week celebration sigi tanja si dawra gaina mayamda update tawjani di masi koi khanami na ma yam saw sang koi department ki side gi success oibe yaine ne yam chong thajai koi masi gi digital market platform ma yarga de koi namda bo boda ge na koi kan na boda jagi ye hausi ki digital market platform sida
Executive Director Commercial of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL, Thangzam Atom, expressed disappointment over inadequate budget for purchasing solar power from customers under rooftop solar photovoltaic scheme at MSPDCL. He asserted that MSPDCL has already submitted a memorandum to the relevant power commissioner apprising to upgrade Manipur Grid Interactive Rooftop Solar Photovoltaic Power Policy 2014. Speaking to media at MSPDCL office in North AOC Secure Building today, Thangzam Atom lauded the rooftop solar photovoltaic scheme initiated by the Ministry of New Renewable Energy to harness natural energy sources. He maintained that the scheme will facilitate the people in generating their own electricity, and they can even sell electricity to power distribution companies. He asserted that the MSPDCL has also signed power purchase agreement for 25 years with many customers for the first phase. Thangzam Atom expressed disappointment over the inconveniences faced due to the lack of budget and adequate manpower of MSPDCL. The executive director lamented that the state government has failed to address the issue till date.
Space labor duguma yum sing sida manira dana su lo chi henkat lo henkat lagadi nangi 5 khilagadi hayeng generate tawrak budu nakoina hayeng MSPDCL na madu leiraga nakoida paisa du pirakani haibagi wakhallon da solar sing ji consumer sing jina commercialize tawrakpa sigi matang da akhoi gi transcom na su madu matam chana payment tawbagi provision si su leitaba unless and until government na sigi ahenba paisa si funding tawbiragadi adusu piba yaba adusu government gi su paisa leitabna marum oidana adu mayamdu funding tawdana hoji phausi akoina payment tawba amata ngamdri hoina excess generation tawba agreement sign tawnaraga su atop state amatana akoigi net metering system sida payable taba state amata leite hoji phauda magi policy program tawraga payable tadana ba loina hotnarame all the state in India.
Birla Emporium Private Limited has filed a complaint at Manipur Police against Axis Bank and ICICI Bank for hindering the company in carrying out international transactions in violation of the bank's guidelines. Speaking to media, the company office in Kurai, Jingabam, Lekai today, founder director of the company, Yumnam Iravanta, asserted that Birla Emporium Private Limited has business dealings within India and abroad in countries like the USA, Bangkok, UAE, etc. However, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank at Chingmairong, where the company has opened its account, created unnecessary hindrances recently to the company in carrying out transactions with its branch offices in the foreign countries. He maintained that the company has filed a complaint to Imphal West SP to take legal actions against branch manager of Axis Bank Chingmairong, M. Homen, and ICICI Bank manager, Boni. Irabanta urged people not to misperceive the company in the wake of misconduct by the banks.
Our business is a philanthropic business. We don't focus on 100% profit. We do business by 50% profit and 50% social welfare project. So this bank that the people are saying, this big bank, they should respect us. They should welcome us what we did in the market. Even they said that they are a big brand in India, but they can't do what we do in the market. I would like to draw the special attention of the higher authority to apologize us and to make our business transaction flow without any disturbance.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has condoled the untimely demise of former Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh cum ex-minister Salam Ibohal. Party members paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect for the departed soul at the condolence meet held at the party office in Kanchipur today. Manipur State Power Company Limited in a press release informed that there will be no power supply in Iroisemba, Uripok, Lamsang, Lampel and Langol areas under 33 by 11 kV Iroisemba and 33 by 11 kV Lampel substations on November 22 from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. due to maintenance works. Manipur web series Nurabi the Virgin bagged the Best Trailer Award at the Rio Web Fest 2019 held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil from November 15 till 18. The web series is directed by Joychan Moirang Them and written by Much Konthausam, Danube, Mary, Pinky, Mangal Leima, Prinaline, Antila and Vidya Lakshmi are in the lead roles. Members of Human Initiatives Manipur accorded a warm welcome to Mrs. Roshia Naurim upon her arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Mrs. Roshia Naurim bagged Mrs. Winner title and Mrs. Graceful subtitle at Bookham Literature Face of the Year 2019 held at Taj Hotel in Lucknow on November 17. Two-month training program on carpentry works held at LBI Training Hall of Tuibong in Churachandpur district concluded today. LBI Churachandpur along with NARPS organized the program sponsored by DIC Churachandpur under NABARD. More than 30 persons took part in the training. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. NTPS court sends Moray Police Station OC led Kohav Vaipai to 15-day judicial custody for further investigation into his alleged involvement in trading drugs. Unknown miscreants plant 2 anti-handling mechanism remote control IED near Napet Machin Pohabi Culvert. State bomb disposal squad defuses the bombs successfully. Federation of Government College Teachers Association calls indefinite 6-work strike against government's failure to provide UGC's 7th pay scale. An ex-MLA of Nauria Pakanglapa constituency, R.K. Anand, urges centre and state governments to act as per people's interest.